Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Pipe Revenue Trading Platform. Review my usage experience. Pipe Revenue Trading Platform. Review my usage experience offers a platform for individuals to analyze and potentially trade revenue streams. Its main purpose seems to be to provide tools and data for evaluating the profitability and risk associated with different revenue-generating assets. The target audience appears to be those interested in alternative investment strategies, possibly including financial professionals or sophisticated individual investors. Key features seem to include data analysis tools and potentially a trading interface. Their website provides details on the various analytical tools and data sets available. The platform claims to offer detailed market analysis, helping users make informed decisions. They highlight ease of use and a transparent pricing structure, though specific pricing is not readily available without signing up. They emphasize the use of proprietary algorithms for data analysis, presenting this as a unique selling proposition. Availability seems to be global, accessible via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Pipe Revenue Trading Platform. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions and helpful tutorials. The interface itself is quite intuitive, though it took me a few days to become truly comfortable with all the features. I particularly appreciated the detailed charts and graphs, which made analyzing different revenue streams much easier than using spreadsheets alone. The performance has been excellent, with data loading quickly and reliably. I've used the platform to analyze several different revenue streams, and the results have generally aligned with my own independent research. I had a quick question about a specific metric, and their support responded within a day via email. They were very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, especially the way it visualizes complex data. The standout feature for me was definitely the risk assessment tool. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for the more advanced analytical features. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but the provided tutorials were eventually helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Pipe Revenue Trading Platform. It's a powerful tool that has significantly improved my ability to analyze and understand different revenue streams, making me feel more confident in my investment decisions. That's my overview of Pipe Revenue Trading Platform. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.